You can control the lights with GP switch and remote control at the same time. But you need to pair the remote control with TouchLink first. Click on Enable Pairing. Enable TouchLink in GP mode. Click on Right. Power off the LED driver. Right configuration. Successful. Power on the LED driver. It will enter the TouchLink mode. Waiting light flashes twice. Press and hold down a group key to enter TouchLink pairing mode, and add light device to corresponding group. Light will flash twice, which means the pairing is successful. Now we can control the light by remote control. Off. On. Click any button on the GP switch 4 times continuously. Set it into learning mode. Done. We can use the switch to control the light. Off. On. Remote control also still works. Off. On. Cool white. Warm white. Cool white. Warm white. That's all. Thank you.